How can you transfer all of your documents and like stuff from your iPhone to the external SSD? So let me show you exactly how it will work. If this is your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you become part of the community by subscribing, and that way you will never miss anything important. Okay, so you need to at first have your SSD ready, but the most important part is the connection. So obviously, the latest iPhones have the USB-C connection, but even if you had the Lightning port on the iPhone, you just need to somehow connect it through the cable with the SSD, right? So, as I said, I have the SSD and iPhone with both, which both have the USB-C connection. So I just have to use this regular cable connected both, right? And I just have to wait for the SSD to be recognized by the iPhone. I can check it out inside of the Files app, because if I go to the left section where I have the browse, and there are the locations, so you can see on my iPhone, iCloud, and so on. And if there is anything else connected like an SD card or USB or SSD, it's most definitely going to appear right here as long as it's recognized. So once you have it right there, you can just move and copy stuff back and forth between your local storage and your external SSD. So if you have some files stored in your on my iPhone, right, what you could do is basically just hold down on it, click on a copy, and then just go to the different folder, which would be the SSD, and paste it right there. You could also just use the drag and a drop gesture where you just grab it like this, hold your finger on the screen, move to a different location, and just release it there. And that would be another way how you can move stuff to the external SSD. When it comes to, for example, different things and like photos, for example, I know a lot of people have photos not really in the Files app, but in the Photos app. In that case, it could also work. You could directly save those pictures on the SSD. All you have to do is just to select a bunch of them, click on share, and you would be able to click on a save to files. But in here, you don't pick the local storage, but you as well go to the locations and select the external SSD, which you just connected. So that is another way how you can make it work. Let me know in the comments below if it worked out for you as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.